withdraw the bill or let's have a referendum. Tsarabira mashoko tokubara pane the Constitution Defenders Forum ichiti aiwa panguva ino hatisi kuda zvakawanda, hatimbori kuva negotiations kana zvimwe zvingashamisa, but just withdraw the bill number 3 or handizvedu referendum. Tsarabira mashoko tokubara apa the CDF. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. CDF from Daniel Chiti. The 2013 Constitution leaves no room for manipulation. 2 referendums are unavoidable in the current attempt to extend the presidential term limits. First, any amendment to entrench provisions must comply with Section 328(3), requiring full constitutional procedure and genuine public participation. Second, and most critically, because this amendment seeks to benefit an incumbent, Section 328(7) is triggered, and any attempt to amend or bypass it automatically activates Section 328(9), which mandates a national referendum before such change can take effect. What we are witnessing today is a deliberate attempt to sidestep these constitutional safeguards through a flawed and illegitimate process. We reject such mischief and post this picture Mokonarkansi withdraw the bill or let's have a referendum. Do message YTSCC the Constitution Defenders Forum ichiti Zimbabwe musawe amchifosewa kuaccepta zvimwe zvinhu, but panguva inoi let us not have any other conversations besides only these 2 options. Is either to withdraw the bill yotomisiwa tiri kutaura nezvayo kana kuti takuenda takananga kureferendum. Pinai comment section pedu kuzofungura imo tikubi pamusoro this decision yatorwa neCDF. Pinai comment section pedu subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.